Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is enjoy the video. Alright guys, so this is where we are at the moment. It is absolutely amazing. It's incredibly beautiful. Oh my god. So there is a little cottage in the middle of this beautiful environment. So I just want to show you around. So this is the little cottage where you can see this is the little cottage that we are residing for next few days, and this is going to be our home for almost few days. And this is the fire pit at night time. So everything is ready, just a few wood log to be coming. And so this is how it is. It is right under a beautiful tree, and this is the place where we can just chill and relax at night time. And then I'm just gonna show you around. See how beautifully they have maintained it. The flowers, oh god, it's so beautiful, very greeny. And this is the entrance of the Airbnb, where you are beautifully welcomed by this little tiny birds and the plants. And this is it. It's a beautiful place, very tiny cottage, but it's amazing. Alright, so this is the entry. As soon as you enter, there is a little, or not a little one, it's a bed. It's a really beautiful bed with this nice cup. By the way, that camera is mine. Look at this, how beautifully they have prepared. It's so pretty. Everything has been touched personally, and very, very beautiful. And there is this little kitchen. It looks really antique and so beautifully decorated. Look at this. Oh god, this is amazing. And look at all these real flowers, like dry flowers. There is nothing artificial. Everything is like handmade, like personally touched by the host. And this is going to be our teapot. And look at this, amazing. It's like the Caesars, very antique ones. And again, the teapot, beautiful cups, teacups, and the coffee mugs. And all the basic necessaries are here. We have coffee, teas, and some kitchen accessories, and some tea. And look up here. So beautiful. And this little kitchen has its own fridge and everything in here. This is like beautifully decorated, beautifully maintained. And then there is a little corner where you can read your books or drink a cup of tea and enjoy the moment, enjoy the sceneries. Okay, so there it is. And then just next to your bed there is this little and beautiful bathtub. And there's, oh god, this is so pretty, the pink little thing. And it has it's an accessories. And this antique mirror is out. This antique mirror is basically for me. This is located in a beautiful place. Look at this. It's beautifully located in the middle of everything where you can reflect. And then when you go a little bit further, and there is this toilet, and things are yet to come. And it has this beautiful book, Grounded, Companion for the Slow Living. And look at this beautiful bed. Alright. And then after this, you will get to see the real and beauty of this cottage is. Let me take you around. Away from everything, please do not disturb any of us. This special day is for him, for my fiance, husband to be, his birthday. So we are cherishing this moment. Thank you all for watching. Hope you guys liked the video. And yeah, the cottage is amazing. If you're planning to visit, you can check out the link below. It's not a commercial, or this is not a sponsored video. It's something that we found in the middle of the nature. So if you guys want to book this area, this beautiful cottage, you can check the link which is in the Airbnb, or you can just directly message me on my Instagram or leave the comment down below, and then you will get to see and visit this beautiful and amazing area. And this is how we are, oops, at the moment, just relaxing, drinking cup of tea. Let me choose this too. Cup of tea here, and just enjoying the nature with a cup of tea. And he is making a toast for us just to go along with the tea. Alright guys, thank you so much for your support and keep supporting us. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.